Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. And you already know we always doing something different. We always doing something new. Right now we in Turks and Caicos, man. I know I'm on a boat. I know it's random, and I know I'm gonna give y'all some action. I got you. Facts. We gonna do some light jet skiing, man. I got something for y'all. We was playing mad music in the background though, so I had to do the voiceover. You feel me? Because I don't know about this whole copyright stuff, bro. Like, I'm really trying to do this thing the right way. But listen, like, comment, subscribe, stay tapped in with me, and let's watch this jet ski journey real quick. Let me show you how we really get busy. You feel me? The instructor trying to act like I don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna let him rock real quick. You see the color of the water, though? That water is blue, and it's like a little fake cloudy day. It was like a fake little rain and then it stopped. So now we can get active, but keep doing too much talking, man. Just tell me how to throttle that joint. Turn it on, turn it off, it's gone. Okay, let's go. So, we got this. We gonna go. Okay, feeling it out real quick. Whoa. Take a little test drive real quick off the camera, make sure I got it. Spin around the boat. Now we're gonna play a game. Ooh, now we're gonna get active. Let's work. Let's work. Oh Lord, he disappeared. Okay, he made a left. Okay, he's coming back. He's coming back. Full I said, nah, I gotta get busy with it. I gotta play with it for real. Therapy, people. When you go on vacation, man, take advantage of stuff like this. Do your little jet ski, do your little mini boat, hop on your little boat, eat them good restaurants, eat the food. That's good restaurants. The raw action Mama Blue. This is who pulled up on us. Show us love. You see what's going on. Got my colorful shorts. Acting. Give y'all a little footage over here. Y'all not gonna see me too far. But if you know how to zoom in, I'll show you. You just on the side here. You just drag on the screen like that. And then you drag it back. Right here. And then it zooms it out on the side.
Okay. Guys, right now, then when they come back. I may change my mind. Let me see how what they say when they come back.
Yeah, there's a dry compartment.
We want to go to the bar. Is there liquor up there? Yeah.
Yeah,
You
they
can
do.
drink and drive?
You can, just don't get too drunk. If you get hit or hit anything on the car, you die.
See? Then I told you. Then you said, don't look at me.